Guten Tag, Klasse. Today we are going to talk about if you like or don't like to do an activity. So we're going to take what you already know, ich schwimme, and add something that says you do it gladly or not gladly. So the first thing, as you can see on the screen, is gern. That implies that you do something gladly, you enjoy it. It's not a verb. You can't say ich gern. That doesn't mean I like. It means you do it gladly. So you have to put it after the verb to show that you enjoy doing that activity. So look at the examples in blue. Ich schwimme gern. I swim gladly, literally. It sounds weird to us in English, but it's a very common way to say that you like to do something. So if you like to do an activity, Germans most often will use gern with it. Schreibt gern Bücher. He writes gladly. He writes books gladly. He likes to do that. However, if you don't like to do that, I think part of the blue smiley face is cut off. But if you don't like to do something, then you just add nicht gern. Again, add it right after the verb, the activity, the action. Ich singe nicht gern. Wir machen nicht gern Hausaufgaben. So you just take your sentence, you add gern or nicht gern right after the verb, depending on whether you want to say you enjoy it, like to do it, or not. Okay, so here, everybody likes all these activities. So over here we've got surft gern. He surfs gladly, he likes to do it. Surft gern. Over here, oh, I think I put the she's over here and the he's over there. It doesn't matter that much. Sie simst gern. She likes to text. Das Mädchen liest gern. The girl likes to read. Der Mann und die Frau, sie tanzen gern. Because there's two of them. Okay, over here. Der Junge kocht, cook. Der Junge kocht gern. Schreibt gern. Or you could say macht gern Hausaufgaben. He likes to do homework. So Hausaufgaben machen is to do homework. Ich mache Hausaufgaben. Here, der Vogel, the bird. Der Vogel spielt gern Basketball. Spielt gern Basketball. And this boy is riding a bike. You can't see him too well. Fährt gern Fahrrad. Fährt gern Fahrrad. Now, conversely, if people don't like to do something, you say nicht gern. So here, die Frau schwimmt nicht gern. Sie ist nicht gut. Das Mädchen surft nicht gern im Internet. Das Mädchen fährt nicht gern Fahrrad. Sie ist auch nicht gut. Singt nicht gern. Jim Carrey singt nicht gern. Hört Musik, aber hört nicht gern Musik. Der Mann spielt nicht gern Gitarre. Der Junge spielt nicht gern Fußball. Und Sam, das ist Sam, macht nicht gern Hausaufgaben. Nein. Okay, now there is a very short worksheet for you to do that's attached to Google Classroom. You see 4 pictures, and you're going to tell me whether that person does that activity gladly or not gladly. So if you see a frowny face with somebody swimming, you're going to say or make up a name, that's fine. Schwimmt nicht gern. If you see somebody playing the keyboard and a smiley face, or they're smiling during the activity, sie spielt gern keyboard. So you simply add gern or nicht gern to the sentence that you would have made without it. Put it after the verb. Use these examples. Tschüss.